Making a product perform better from one release to the next is the standard for product development, and with Inventor 2021, it's no different. We've continued to invest in improving Inventor's performance to help you get the most out of the hardware you've invested in and work more productively with your increasingly larger and more complex designs. Let's take a look at how large assembly performance has improved in Inventor 2021. For assembly design, performance has been improved when inserting subassemblies from the time of insertion to the time you have control over the subassembly's position, eliminating the wait time before you can start to place your components. Inventor 2021 is now faster to respond when selecting many components at one time using window selection or component filtering, and experience quicker visibility changes when flipping the visibility of components directly or using saved views. We've also worked hard to improve the responsiveness of component-related features in the assembly environment. Adaptive components are now quicker to respond to changes in the assembly relationship, and component patterns based on the features pattern within the part file are faster to respond to change. You don't stop until you've delivered the best possible product, and neither do we. We are continuing to invest in performance improvements so that you can get more done in less time with Autodesk Inventor 2021. Autodesk Inventor 2021 continues to deliver improvements requested by you and the Inventor user community. Through the Inventor Ideas and the Inventor Beta program, you provide your feedback to help improve Inventor, and we've listened. Here are some customer-driven improvements for the part environment in Inventor 2021. Window selection has been added, providing support for selecting multiple bodies or multiple faces. Using a familiar left to right window to select all objects inside the window, or right to left to select all the objects that are inside or crossing the window's boundary. In the model browser, extended information now applies to work features. The unwrap command allows for flat patterning of components outside of the sheet metal environment. Improved in 2021, the unwrap command now allows for multiple planar holes to be held rigid and has a new option for aligning the unwrapped surface. For sheet metal, a new option in the flange command allows flanges to be aligned using a reference face as an input. To help you create a full 3D model-based definition, support has been added to 3D annotations to allow the referencing of custom eye properties into leader notes and general annotation. To complete the round trip of product model information, support has been added for both import and export of files containing 3D annotations into the JT standard. Thank you for your continued feedback and encouragement as we work to make Inventor better for you. Check out these customer-driven improvements and more in Inventor 2021. Autodesk Inventor 2021 delivers the professional-grade design and engineering tools you rely on every day. In this release, customer-driven improvements have been delivered in virtually every environment inside of Inventor. From making selection more robust for bodies and faces in the part environment, improving the tube and pipe workflow enabling quicker route creation, to easier annotation in the drawing environment with new dimension type options. New and updated functionality inside of Frame Generator provide more flexibility and quicker frame development. Inventor 2021 provides additional performance enhancements when working with large assemblies and sophisticated designs. Connected workflows between Revit and Inventor have been improved, providing an associative link between the two, ensuring manufacturing and construction are always in sync. Inventor 2021 also improves drawing sheet formats and drawing automation with iLogic to speed up the documentation process. And the Inventor user experience continues to update with the new dark theme tech preview, and more tools transition to the property panel for greater efficiency. Autodesk Inventor 2021 provides the tools, the performance, the customer-driven improvements, and the connected workflows you need to create the best possible products. Autodesk Inventor 2021 continues to bring new updates and enhancements to your everyday user experience. In Inventor 2021, a new dark theme has been added to provide an alternative appearance for customers who prefer to work in a low-light environment. When you test Inventor's new dark theme, you'll be advised that dark theme is currently in tech preview. Dark theme hasn't yet been rolled out to all of Inventor's environments, and we would like to get your feedback as we continue to implement this new look. In Inventor 2021, we continue to bring more commands into the new property panel interface, including split, thicken, decal, coil, combine, copy object, and bend part. The property panel interface adds new functionality to existing commands, including the ability to use presets, rename features with the command running, and automatically generate sketches. These new and existing property panel tools streamline your everyday workflow and declutter your workspace. Try out the new dark theme in Autodesk Inventor and the property panel user interface enhancements in Inventor 2021 and see how we continue to improve your experience when working with Autodesk Inventor. In the construction industry, custom fabricators like you want to provide additional value to your company and your customers by getting involved with building information modeling. In Inventor 2021, we've improved the interoperability between Revit and Inventor by maintaining an associative link to the inserted Revit data as you work. The Revit project can be accessed from a local file or coordinated via the cloud using Autodesk BIM 360 Common Data Environment. On referencing a Revit file, custom views from the Revit project can be selected in Inventor, allowing you to filter the BIM to just the information you need. In the Inventor browser, the Revit model is organized by category, allowing you to further examine the structure of the model and filter the BIM to your requirements. Once placed into your Inventor assembly, the Revit project can be used as a reference model to help guide your design. Working with the native Revit project helps you locate your design using shared coordinates, size your design appropriately, and coordinate your design against the integrated BIM. Changes during the design process are inevitable. When the Revit model changes, we'll need to update the Inventor model to suit. Because the Revit model is referenced into your Inventor assembly without file translation, any changes to the Revit project will also update inside the Inventor assembly. A change to a design in Inventor is a change everywhere your design has been referenced, automatically updating all downstream uses of your design model, helping you coordinate your work and keep up with change. When your design is ready, you can output your model from Inventor as a BIM object, ready to submit, closing the loop on your design cycle. Autodesk Inventor 2021 extends any CAD functionality to help manufacturers in the construction industry collaborate and coordinate on BIM projects. Autodesk Inventor 2021 continues to implement your feedback and improve the frame generator workflows. We've continued to make improvements to the file naming dialog, allowing you more detailed control of your naming schemes for frame generator components, including a new ability to set the file name of the component to be the same as the display name in the browser. When creating frames, a new category filter allows you to narrow down your selection. And preset configurations now help you to save your most frequently used frame settings for use again later. Geometry can now be filtered from within the property panel, and a new preview glyph helps you to orient your frame as you select your skeleton geometry. Once you've selected your geometry, new zoom tools help you to orient your frame by adjusting your view to look directly at the frame section or an isometric view of the frame member you're placing, before zooming back to see the entire design. The frame member trim tool has now been improved, allowing you to trim members to a curved frame. And for end treatments, 2 new notch profiles have been added, extending notch support to I, T, and C profile channels, as well as circular members. For Frame Generator in Inventor 2021, the Frame Member Reuse command has had a significant overhaul, making it easier to reuse existing frame members to populate your skeleton geometry. Select a member that you'd like to reuse, then window select all the geometry that you'd like to analyze. Inventor will place reused members wherever they fit. Additional tools in the Change Reuse Member command help you to orient your reused components by zooming into the profile you're working on and reorienting them in the Frame Generator panel or using the in-canvas controls. Inventor 2021 continues to deliver user-requested enhancements to provide the professional-grade mechanical design and engineering tools you rely on. Autodesk Inventor 2021 continues to deliver improvements requested by you and the Inventor user community. Through the Inventor Ideas and the Inventor Beta program, you provide your feedback to help improve Inventor with each release. Here are some customer-driven improvements for the drawing environment in Inventor 2021. Components set to reference in the Inventor bill of material have new visibility options and drawings, with additional options to show reference files in color and with or without dashed outlines. The ability to add automated centerlines to drawing views has been made easier to discover with a new button for automated centerline command in the ribbon. When dimensioning your views, we've improved the ability for Inventor to detect diameter dimensions in side or section views, even when selecting parallel geometry. And the new rotated option in the general dimension command allows you to rotate dimensions to any drawing geometry. To help you complete your documentation, we've streamlined the workflow for copying and pasting general tables within drawing sheets. And by popular request, the Measure tool has returned to the drawing environment, allowing you the ability to take additional measurements from Inventor drawings without creating additional annotations. Thank you for your continued feedback and encouragement as we work to make Inventor better for you. Check out these customer-driven improvements and more in Inventor 2021. For many of you, technical drawings are still a contract deliverable and are an important communication tool. Autodesk Inventor 2021 delivers new functionality to help speed up drawing creation with updates to sheet formats and iLogic drawing automation. Sheet formats in Autodesk Inventor are a great way to start new drawings, with drawing views of your designs automatically generated from pre-selected models. In Inventor 2021, we've made sheet formats easier to find by adding them into the dialog for drawing creation. View layouts saved as sheet formats now retain view settings such as edge display, and we've included a new Fit to View option to automatically scale your views to fit onto your sheet. Sheet formats now support flat patterns for part models and parts lists for assemblies, all automatically populated from the model you've referenced during sheet creation. To further help you automate the creation of drawings, we've improved the ability for iLogic to add dimensions, hole notes, and balloons from labeled features. We've also added support to change drawing styles using iLogic, making it easier to change styles to suit your customer, or batch edit styles to aid CAD standards compliance. Sheet formats and iLogic make it easier than ever to automate the creation of drawings to your CAD standards in Autodesk Inventor 2021. Autodesk Inventor 2021 continues to deliver improvements requested by you and the Inventor user community. Through the Inventor Ideas and the Inventor Beta program, you provide your feedback to help improve Inventor, and we've listened. Here are some customer-driven improvements for the assembly environment in Inventor 2021. We've extended the file naming defaults dialog to the mirror and copy commands. With your feedback, we've continued to make improvements to file naming for Frame Generator and Tube and Pipe designs. For Tube and Pipe, we've implemented the routing command as a new property panel, allowing you to create and apply your routes while keeping the command running, speeding up the development of your Tube and Pipe routes. To help you structure your assembly environment, we've rolled out the functionality last seen in the shaft component generator to bolted connections. In this example, notice the new option to disable the subassembly structure. With this option active, no folder or subassembly will be created on disk. The individual components will be inserted directly into your assembly. This gives you more options for structuring your assembly and organizing your data to best suit your needs. You'll notice the difference immediately when you look at the assembly structure in the browser. If you need to edit the bolted connection, select the bolted connection node in the browser. When saving files, we've added new options to help set the default behavior for whether files should be saved or not, and a new Save State column in the Save dialog box to help you understand what files Inventor is prompting you to save and why. Thank you for your continued feedback and encouragement as we work to make Inventor better for you. Check out these customer-driven improvements and more in Inventor 2021.